Improving English listening comprehension can be achieved through a combination of various strategies. Here are some effective approaches. Regular listening practice. Listen to English content regularly, such as podcasts, audiobooks, news broadcasts, and interviews. This exposure helps you get accustomed to different accents, speeds, and vocabulary. Watch English movies and TV shows. Choose movies or TV shows with clear and natural dialogue. Subtitles can be helpful initially, but try to watch without them to enhance your listening skills. Use educational apps and websites. Many language learning apps and websites offer exercises and activities specifically designed to improve listening skills. These often include dialogues, dictations, and comprehension questions. Listen to various accents. English is spoken in different accents around the world. Try to expose yourself to a variety of accents, British, American, Australian, etc., to improve your ability to understand different speakers. Focus on different English dialects. English has various dialects, and regional differences can affect pronunciation and vocabulary. If possible, expose yourself to different English dialects to broaden your understanding. Take advantage of online resources. Utilize online platforms that offer resources for English learners, such as TED Talks, YouTube channels, and language learning websites. These often provide a range of content suitable for different proficiency levels. Practice active listening. Train yourself to actively listen by summarizing or paraphrasing what you hear. This helps reinforce your understanding and retention of the information. Engage in conversations. Regular conversations with native speakers or fellow learners can significantly enhance your listening skills. Join language exchange programs or online language communities to practice listening and speaking. Use transcripts. When listening to podcasts or audio materials, obtain transcripts if available. This allows you to read along while listening, helping you associate spoken words with their written forms. Take listening comprehension tests. Periodically assess your listening skills by taking comprehension tests. This helps identify areas for improvement and allows you to track your progress over time. Build vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary helps you recognize more words during conversations, making it easier to comprehend spoken English. Remember, consistency is key when working on your listening comprehension skills. Combining these strategies and integrating them into your daily routine will contribute to steady improvement over time.